Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and on this episode of the Cyber Insurance Imperative, we're going to uncover the greatest benefit of cyber insurance that you might have never heard of. It goes by different names depending upon which insurer's policy form you're looking at, but it's sometimes referred to as a risk mitigation incentive. And if you're not familiar with it, stay tuned, because what I'm about to share with you could save your business hundreds or even thousands of dollars before you've had a claim, all while improving your cybersecurity posture. Now, not every policy offers this benefit, but more of them have started doing so, especially those offered by the managing general agents, or MGAs. They're combining the capital of highly rated insurance companies with tech-savvy underwriting and claims talent to really carve out a niche for small and mid-sized businesses. And they want you to be a better risk. So here's the deal. If you can identify a new security control that you would like to implement, you can apply to have them defray a portion of the cost for deploying it. Now, they're not going to cut a rebate check directly to the policyholder. That's prohibited in most states. But what they can do is pay a portion of the cost directly to the service provider. In fact, in some cases, they may be able to negotiate a discount with the vendor, saving you even more money. It may only amount to a small percentage of the total bill, but it's typically capped at a portion of your annual premium, and it can still have the effect of putting real dollars back in your pocket. Let's see how this works in practice. Suppose you want to begin penetration testing for the first time, or deploy endpoint detection and response on your network. Your underwriter may have suggestions on vendors who can assist, but unlike the incident response process after a breach or other type of claims, you're not constrained to a pre-approved list of providers here. Your in-house InfoSec team or your managed service provider or vCISO may have a preferred vendor, or you can always DM me on LinkedIn or email me at david.finz@alliant.com, and I can put you in touch with several providers that you can vet for yourself. The vendor can put together a statement of work, or SOW, detailing the scope of the project, an estimate of the costs, and a time frame for completion. Once the underwriter approves the SOW, they'll work out the details with the provider to ensure that you receive the incentive to which you're entitled under the policy. Think of it as a defensive driving discount for cyber. And if you're wondering why you haven't heard about this benefit, well, brokers haven't always done a very good job of calling their clients' attention to it. And that's a shame, because it can help reduce the likelihood as well as the potential severity of a cyber attack. See, at Alliant, we don't just hand our clients their policy. We help them make the most of the coverage they've purchased. So if this risk mitigation incentive is news to you, maybe it's time that you discover the more rewarding way to manage risk. Thanks for watching.